Organizations in every sector of the economy know that dependable data analytics is key to increasing sales, reducing costs, and improving the customer experience. That's why Altair is revolutionizing the way data-driven enterprises access the tools they need to better understand their processes, their customers, and their products, and share these powerful insights across their operation. Introducing the Altair Unlimited Data Analytics Appliance, a pre-built, pre-configured, ready-to-run data analytics and AI solution loaded with all of the software and compute power forward-looking organizations need to drive next-level business results. The Altair Unlimited appliance empowers you to create, maintain, and operationalize models and programs written in Python, R, SQL, and SAS languages, or create code-free using our unique drag-and-drop visual workflow. Our solution unifies the silos between engineers, data scientists, and statisticians, providing a single intuitive platform for connecting, preparing, and modeling data. Our small footprint appliance can be deployed in hours, not days or weeks, so you can get started immediately and scale on demand to support increased utilization and larger user populations. Configured as a complete on-premise hardware package or a turnkey private virtual cloud solution, our appliance delivers immediate insights through the infrastructure model that works best for your organization. Plus, Altair handles all application and operating system updates, freeing your IT team to do more with less. And expert single-source support is just a phone call away. Best of all, Altair's flexible units licensing model gives organizations of any size with any IT skill level unlimited, secure access to our full range of data analytics solutions with low total cost of ownership. The Altair Unlimited appliance packs the power of our world-class data analytics and machine learning software, system administrations, and infrastructure as a service into a single turnkey solution, democratizing the power of data to drive more insights than ever. Altair, only forward.